What's going on, guys? Two Bros Garage back at it again. Today I have the project of the 1998 Suzuki Gsxr. Today we're going to be doing the fairing kit. We're also going to do all the mechanical stuff. We're going to do a rectifier and stator. We're going to do new battery on it. We're going to replace all fairing bolts, and we have the fairing key here. He went with the white, red, and black. It's going to look sweet. And we're going to do brakes and just add the gas cable here, throttle cable. And that's it, man. It should be a fun project. Check us out. Alright guys, we got her all naked, got those ugly fairings off of it. Next we're gonna do the mechanical stuff. We're gonna do the spark plugs, we're gonna do the stator and rectifier, and just little by little we're gonna bring her back to life. So just stay tuned, and it's gonna be a fun project. Alrighty, man, I'm about to change this fuel filter. It looks like it's 1,000 years old. Got a bunch of dirt on there. Probably one of the main reasons why the bike ain't running, right? Got all that dirt going into the carbs. Can't be having that, man. Really can't. So, I'm gonna spill a little fuel on here. Got the new one right here. You guys can see. Gotta get the arrow pointing down. And then basically just taking it off like this. Getting fuel on me. Burn open wound. Fucking burn. This should help. This should really help. Alrighty guys, the motorcycle was brought to me because the battery kept dying, didn't hold charge, so I ended up replacing the stator and the rectifier. We did the spark plugs. We're gonna go ahead and try to turn it on now, see how it runs, and also if it holds charge. So when it's turned on, your battery should be at least 13 volts, and we're gonna test it out with the voltmeter. So stay tuned.
Lo que quiero es ponerle el neutro, bro. Pues está el cambio también. Un poquito de... Cambio, it's in gear, so